God is saying to you today, God is letting you know that two people are entering 12 p.m. in your house secretly, and they are going to surprise you. You have no idea that your life is about to change forever. Two people are secretly entering your house at 12 p.m. to amaze you with the best news of your life. You have no idea what God has in store for you. You have no inkling that your life is about to take a sharp turn, and that everything you had ever dreamed of is about to come true. Type 111 if you believe in God. God is telling you that exactly at 12 p.m., two people will come to your doorstep. They are strangers to you, but there was something about their demeanor that put you at ease. They had a calming presence that made you feel like you could trust them. They are messengers from God who have come to deliver some news to you. You will be skeptical at first, but as they start speaking, you will feel your heart racing with excitement. Type 777 if you believe in God. God is letting you know that they will tell you that you are going to attain fame and popularity, and that your name is being written in the book of fortune. They will tell you that everything you had ever dreamed of is about to come true, that your life is about to be completely changed with the godsend. You will be overwhelmed with emotion. You couldn't believe what you were hearing. It will be like a dream come true. Type 555 if you love God. God says all those years of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice you made are finally paying off. You had always wanted to make a name for yourself in the world, to be recognized for your talents and abilities. You had dreamed of being famous, of having millions of fans and followers, of living a life of luxury and comfort. And now it seems that your dreams are about to come true. God had finally recognized your efforts and is rewarding you with everything you had ever wanted. Type 333. If you love God, you will feel a sense of gratitude wash over you. You will be grateful for all the challenges and obstacles you faced along the way. God made you stronger, more resilient, and more determined to succeed. You will also be thankful for the people in your life who have supported you, encouraged you, and believed in you. Without them, you could not have been able to achieve what you had so far. Type 111 if you believe in God. But most of all, you will be grateful to God for sending these messengers to you, for giving you the news that you had been waiting for your entire life. As the messengers left your house, you sat there for a while trying to process everything that had just happened. It will be like a surreal experience, something that you read about in books or seen in movies. But it is real. God did speak and chose you to be the recipient of their blessings. It is up to you now to live up to the expectations that came with it. Type 777. If you believe in God, God is letting you know that over the next few days and weeks, your life will start to change. God says you will start to feel a sense of validation and recognition that you had never experienced before. People are starting to take notice of you, to appreciate your talents and skills. It will be like a dream come true. Type 555 if you love God. You will maintain your integrity and values, and you will be a positive influence on those around you. God says all the fame and popularity are yours, so relish them and look forward to attaining many more wins. Type 333 if you love God. Stay focused, disciplined, and motivated. God is constantly with you and will definitely prevail. God will bless you with miraculous wonders and will restore your life with goodness. Thus, be inclined to grab all of these divine miracles that are appearing to you. Type Amen to claim it today. God bless you.